Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your REALME C75. First, you want to check the volume levels in the settings. I'm going to increase the volume right now on the home screen by pressing the volume up button on the right side of the phone. As you guys can see, we got the ultra volume mode on, and now it is boosted up by 400%. Let's go over and open up the apps. We're going to go to the settings and scroll down until we see sounds and vibration. Here, all we care about is specifically media volume because this is the main volume that we are actually using. We're not using the ringtone, not using notifications, alarms, well maybe sometimes, but not as much as the media one. We got the 400% here. We can go over to the phone app and press the volume up button to increase the call volume, which is also very important. After we increase both volumes, we're going to clean the speaker with a soft brush. I've got the set of brushes right here. I'm going to use this one. We need to rotate our phone like this, and here we have the cleaning port. All we have to do is make sure we really get in there. It might be hard at first, but once you get the trick, it should be easy. You can do this to basically clean everything out. You can use an air compressor, for example. It should also work the same. Next, we're going to disable Bluetooth to make sure audio is not routed to any other devices. Let's open up the settings again and go to Bluetooth. As you guys can see, Bluetooth for me is already disabled, but if you have it on, we want to make sure the switch is gray, not blue. After disabling Bluetooth, we're going to restart the phone. We're going to hold the power button only, then swipe up until we see the green line here. The phone is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now we are after the restart. As a last resort, we're going to update our software. We'll unlock the phone and wait for every app to turn on, for our Wi-Fi to turn on, and for our widgets to load. Then we can go into the settings and scroll down until we see System and Update. Here we're going to click, then go to Software Update right up top. As you guys can see, it is checking for updates automatically. I am on the REALME UI 6.0N. My version is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. It's very important to get rid of any old glitches on your device. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.